Welcome back to Claudia's Cocina. I know it's been a while, but I have some really exciting stuff I want to share for you. Of course, with some handy dandy tools for your kitchen. Let's get started. Now, this is of course a mandolin. A mandolin can be used to shred things, to slice things, and the best part of all is that with this flap here, you're able to define how thick your slices will be. Now, these two screws on the side, these are used to, well, remove that blade. You can choose the different kind of blade. In this case, we'll be using the flat blade, which is the one that I use the most. Now, it's also important to look at the back. On the back, you have this screw here, and this screw, when you screw it down, will allow this flap to move down. Now, the more that you move the screw, the more that it continues to move down, and of course, changes the thickness of the space, therefore changing the thickness that you're going to slice at. Now, let me show you how to use it. Now, notice how thick these slices are. I wanted them to be that thick because I want to show you the different layers and the different ways that I can change it. Now, I'm gonna go ahead and change it to a little higher just so that I can get a much thinner slice. Notice how much thinner they are already. Now, I'm not pushing very hard, but notice how paper thin these are. This is exactly what I want. These are not gonna go into some ice water. Now, here's a really smart and cool idea. We're gonna go ahead and make two different types of garnishes that you could use these for. So I'm gonna split it in half, and then I'm going to create small little triangle wedges. I'm also going to place these in the ice water. Another idea is to create matchsticks. Create nice, thin, even cuts. And here you have them, nice matchsticks. Place those in ice water as well. Now, notice how with the ice water, these start to curl. It's one of my favorite things to do, especially with radishes, because radishes can be spicy and honestly, they can sometimes be a little ugly. So the best way to do it is this way. Put them in a little iced water, get them all nice and thin, curl them up. Even the little watermelon radish here that looks like a little watermelon slice looks amazing. These little matchsticks gets nice and hard. And the best part of it is that it takes some of that spiciness out of the radishes. So it's a great idea on ways that you can use all of these different styles of radishes, well, for garnish. Now let's be real, let's talk about safety. This comes with the guard, but it can be difficult, especially with round items like this, to, well, make sure that you don't get your fingers. So the most important thing that I recommend is keeping your fingers well away from the actual blade. And of course, once you get to a level where you're starting to feel uncomfortable, stop. Honestly, it's better to throw away than throw away a piece of your finger. Am I right? Now, I think it's clear that the mandolin can save you a ton of time in the kitchen. Listen, most restaurants use mandolins specifically for large amounts of slicing, and don't keep it to just radishes. You can use them for jalapenos. Think about it. You never have to touch a jalapeno again. You just slice it here. Don't have to worry about perfecting your knife cuts because, well, this makes it a little easier for you. It's our cheat trick that we're not sharing with you, but I am. Because, well, I want you back here at Claudia's Cocina, and make sure that, well, if you want my cookbook, you click on the link below, that you subscribe, because I'm gonna have some more stuff for you here at Claudia's Cocina. See you back here.